In the last episode's Gen 1 B58, we hand-ported the head, sanded it, and got it ready for digitizing. In this episode, we're going to do the digitizing and cut it in the CNC, so keep watching. Now that this thing is digitized, Matt is going to go in the computer, he's going to make some tool paths out of it, and then we're going to cut it. And here is the HeadGames Gen 1 exhaust port, looking delicious. I know I'm going to say this again. We're going to go back over this again after guides before it gets assembled, but man, look at that. That just fresh out of the CNC, just washed it. Exhaust port looks freaking delicious. I'm very excited about getting some GSC guides in here and valve job in it. And the combustion chambers looking delicious as well. All these, it all cleaned up. There's really nothing to write home about this. It all cleaned up. And here is the intake port. Now, one thing that we're going to talk about here, because I get this all the time, is people think that a CNC port is going to make something more accurate. Well, here is your accuracy. So you see how this port and this port don't look the same as that port, right? And this port doesn't. It looks somewhat the same, but it's not really the same. You can see I cleaned up more here than I cleaned up there. And that is because the CNC is a dummy. It doesn't know where the port is, it just knows where it's supposed to be. And if it's not there, it just doesn't touch it. So these things, it doesn't make them all the same. It just makes them come out faster. You can get the CNC done quicker, and then you can just blend it by hand. All right, so this head is ready for guides and valve job, mill and assembly with all the GSC valve train that we can throw at it. But unfortunately, that's going to be for the next episode. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Toodles.
HeadGames!